What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to use GPT-4 for free. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, there's a two website that you can use GPT for free. First is this po.com, and as you can see in this screen, I can use GPT-4, but as you can see that it's only limited for a try. So you can only have one chat per day, and if you ask a one question or one request for this bot, is you need to wait 1 day to ask another question. So that's it. That's the only way you can chat GPT for free in this website. So you need to upgrade in order to use the full access. And another way that you can do is to go to your Microsoft Edge and go search Bing, the new Bing chat. Just click this one and it will redirect you to this, and just click chat right here. Now you will need to update your profile and birth information in order to use the new features of chat AI Bing. So after that, if you update, just go again here, and as you can see, I can now use chat Bing. Just click chat now and it will redirect you to this one. So as you can see, if you ask, does it use chat GPT-4 or GPT-4, I mean, and it will answer this one. Just wait. So here, as you can see, it use GPT-4 features but not chat GPT. So that's the only case you cannot use. But still, you can use the GPT-4 for free, and that's the only way you can use it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.